Hi everyone, this is Kristine Ochu. I promise to share a healing exercise with you that I've been using every morning for the last 2 weeks. And it's wonderful because it's been scientifically proven that we have these neural connections between our heart and our mind and our heart and our gut. And we can proactively send loving, healing messages from our heart to those areas and spread that through our whole neural system, our nervous system, these positive energy and those positive signals that helps with our healing. And it's also really good for us emotionally. So what I've been doing in the morning is I've been thinking about experiences where I felt a lot of love. Thinking of my grandkids is a very easy one for me. Thinking of times with my husband or family and friends. But I've just brought those special moments into my heart, and I just feel like love, and I feel like I am love, I feel love. And then I send that emotion up to my brain. So here I'm actively sending signals from my heart to my brain, and I'm just thinking about love, and I'm feeling that emotion of love. And right now I'm sending that feeling from my heart and visualizing it going up to my brain and back down, and just creating this amazing pathway. And then I'm moving my hand from my forehead to my gut, below the belly button, and I'm sending all that loving feeling from my heart to my gut. And I'm bringing all of that emotion back up to my heart, and then I just place this on my heart, my forehead and my gut, and bring it together, and then I just visualize spreading this loving energy throughout my body. So I really focus on my throat and my ear, where I still have some nerve damage, and just bringing all that love in, and just want to share that with you. Namaste. I hope that might help you. And I really encourage you, it's so simple. Give it a try. It's not just woo-woo. There's real science behind it. Much love.